Well, my dear friends, my dear Jade community, how are you guys doing? Well, today I came into the chat. I came into the Discord channel and I saw a lot of FUD going on, a lot of screaming and yelling. Now it got a little bit more civilized again. But, we've been off the deep end for a little bit again. And, yeah, let's make a little video and let's discuss what's happening. All right. Well. When we think about a community like the Jade community, there are two things that are mainly being drawn in focus. Number one is the price of the token that keeps dropping and people keep panic selling. And then on the other hand, there's also the airdrop announcements and all the FUD around this. So let's break it down one step at a time. Let's start with the airdrops. Last announcement concerning the airdrop. Einstein is back. Big medium post and announcements happening soon. Airdrops are over. Finished. No more airdrops. Much more passionate about sustainability, blah, 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 blah. So they have something big to announce. The airdrop is going to 33 winners for RNG and waited for time in LP. Now, I've seen a lot of speculation about what LP stands for, because we know it stands for liquidity providing, but LP on Jade, LP on Smarter, we're gonna have to see. But like I said yesterday and the day before, and quite often, the team has a flair for the dramatic. It's a drop-off race. Remember it, guys, and keep your eyes on the ball. Don't get sucked into all that FUD that is being generated, because you have to remember, if you saw my video from yesterday, go ahead and watch it. It's very, very, very promising and interesting to stay in the game for a whole year. Because, like I said, use the calculator, set it to worst case scenario. The whole protocol is supposed to stop once every Jade token equals every dollar in the treasury. It's gonna stop. That's the idea. So you'll be able to bond your tokens at a $1 value per token minimum. Plus, when we look at the vote that we have done about the APY, because a lot of people still don't understand this shit, guys, keep your head in the game. We have made a vote to push down the APY to a sustainable level. What is a sustainable level? As long as you're printing tickets, it's unsustainable. You're diluting. So what do they mean? Think about it. They're talking about this $1 backing. Worst case scenario, Treasury stays like this. With this APY, they will be able to provide for a minimum 1 year of runway. Right? So this is why it's so important to use this calculator. The idea is, worst case scenario, we're going to stay at this APY. Maybe it's going to drop a little bit more, but the rewards are still going to be huge for the ones who stay in the game. Okay, now, there's another thing. People like to look at charts. I'm a trader. I come from trading. I've been trading a lot, especially on Bitcoin, because I just love the action. And here, this chart, this is a short history chart. This doesn't have a lot of information. I have been drawing a few lines, and those lines just work out because we have a community of people who majorly know what they're looking at. And if the majority is looking at the same points, then you're going to start to see patterns appear. Now, over here, I don't want to create any FOMO, but according to all this, I see the price going down. We're getting narrow in the range. This could break out, but just continue sideways. It doesn't mean a thing. But the volume, look at the volume, how the volume is dropping. This means that nobody is buying anymore. All right, think about it. But the treasury keeps going up, right? So people are using the bonding system. Maybe some people are trying to trick the game by selling and bonding, selling and bonding. Basically, you get 12% return on every one of those moves, you know. On top of that, remember to be greedy when the whole market is fearful. But of course, don't be stupid. Do your own research. Make sure you know why you want to stay in the game. Not because what all the other people said, but because what you know is true. Stick to your guts, guys. Now, like I said, the rugdock is very, very important in my opinion. Yesterday, from what I've heard, I haven't seen it, but I've seen it in the Discord channel. There have been multiple of those ohmforks who rug pulled on their investors. You know, how tempting would that be? If you have the key here to $72 million, just take it and run. Hey, if nobody knows who you are, that's a really good deal. But Jade Protocol has passed the KYC with rugdock. That means they are identified. Well, think about it, guys. Maybe you get to run away with a couple of $1,000s, but with a couple of million, there's no place in the world where they won't track you if they know who you are. So, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm telling you guys to do your own research the right way. Don't try to be lazy and find your information in the Discord channel, because think about the motivation these people have. You know, they don't show their face. You don't know who they are. Me, I'm invested in the project, and this is my bias. You know that, you know. But on the other hand, I'm trying to break things down for you so you can go make your own decisions. Now, the airdrop, 33 wallets will receive $33,333. Now, I can only say one thing. I hope that the developer team took this week that they took off to analyze all the active wallets, compare their transactions, compare whether they are linking to each other and stuff. Really take their time to analyze what is happening so that they can pick, whether it's random or not, 33 real eligible wallets that have been supporting the project. Okay, that's the only thing I can hope for, and that's what I really stand behind. Whoever the winners are. Good luck, guys. I'm gonna drop it for now. I will jump back in after we know more about the announcement, because I know everybody wants to know this. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, push the like button, because this helps YouTube to promote the videos and this draws more people in. Imagine, guys, worst case scenario, the whole thing goes to 1 and yeah, okay, not bad. But imagine that we get something like the Olympus Dow, this grow to $10,000. Jesus, you know, your one jade after a year would make you millionaire. So if you stand behind this project, well, you know, let's spam it around. Otherwise, I wish you guys the best of luck. Hope to see you guys on the next time. Bye-bye.